Baby, yeah, we ride it, yeah. Bring it over to my place, you be high, baby, yeah. So I know you, yeah. Bring it over to my place, you don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing amazing today. I know I am. So today I'm back again with another hair review video, and I'm very excited about today's video. It's brought to you by FANCIVIVI. As you can see, it's a braided, honey. Loving the packaging, very unique, very cute. So let's get into it. I got a bonnet, also got an edge band, lashes, love the lashes, wig cap, got some gold clamps to accessorize the braids, and of course our wig, which is a full lace wig. Let's emphasize that, ladies and gentlemen, full lace wig. You see it? Yes, you heard right. So this is the construction of the wig. I have a couple combs and a band to secure the wig onto my head. So you know, bare niceness. This install, I'm so excited for it because, as I said before, I've never gotten a braided wig. So let's get right into it.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Main one running, are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one running? Are you blaming on me and you the main one running? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one running? Just tryna be your everything, main one running. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one running? Are you blaming on me and you the main one running? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one running?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, every time I see you. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you call. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I am in love with this wig. I am loving it. It's so cute. I love the detailing. It's so flat. It looks like I sat for 6 hours and braided my hair, but guess what? I didn't. And for that, I love the convenience of this wig. If you guys are interested in checking it out, all the links will be in my description box down below. Yeah, I'm here telling you again, so I love the wig. Love it bad. Love it bad. So yeah, all the links are down in my description box below. As usual, check for discount code because more than likely one is there. But yeah, that's it for this week's video. Go ahead and rate this install on a scale of 1 to 10 down in my comment section down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.